Before we start this video, I just want to say volume warning. So yeah. Hello everybody, welcome to a new series I'm calling Planespotting in PTFS. I am Zachary, and yeah. So, today we are at Greater Rockford Airport. Now, this series is going to be a pretty interesting one, where I myself just kind of just watch planes at different PTFS airports. Yeah, first we have an Airbus A330-300 in the Qantas livery coming in. So yeah, let's wait for them. We also have a Q400 pulling classic PTFS things. Yeah, one thing else I want to talk about. School is starting soon for me, meaning less videos for you guys. Although I do hope I can still upload one video a week. But yeah, now this Planespotting and PTFS thing will be a monthly thing. Well, at least I can try for monthly. I'm shooting for monthly, but no promises if it's gonna be monthly or not. Depending on how this video does, I'll see. But yeah, let's enjoy this Airbus A330 do a butter landing. Let's see this. Pretty wobbly final, but yeah, I mean, hopefully it's smooth. Let's just see. Here we go. And 3, 2, it might be a little low. Yeah. Kind of better. I mean, it wasn't the better. I feel like it did get a little jittery at the end there, but hey, what can you do? So yeah, next I think we have a Korean Air Airbus A380. So yeah, as the A330 turns off the runway, you can see how bad the old A330 model looks. It doesn't look very good. Now, in my opinion, the Trent 800s, or the Rolls-Royce engines, on the Airbus A330 sound and look the best. But what are your thoughts? So yeah, let's wait for the Airbus A380. Little interesting thing going on here. It looks like the A330 has stopped on the taxiway, which is quite weird, but yeah. So, just want to say that it also has, now it looks like it has moved, but yeah. So, there's the flying kangaroo tail, and yeah, I'll wait for it to move. It actually might move pretty soon, but yeah. Got a person stuck in the fuel tanks over there, but yeah, that's just normal PTFS activities. Yeah, it looks like the flying kangaroos moved, and it's gone. So let's wait for this Airbus A380. Alright everybody, turn your volume up, because here comes the Airbus A380. It's a absolute giant with a quad jet. So yeah, let's zoom in on the cockpit there. So yeah, turn your volume on up, because this is about to sound really nice. There's also a F-A-18 Super Hornet in the Jolly Roger livery, probably coming from the USS or Airbase Gary. It either came from the USS Gerald R. Ford or the Airbase Gary. It has stopped on the taxiway. I'm not sure why. But yeah. Let's wait for this Airbus A380 departure. It's actually already going, which is really nice. But there it goes. Beautiful departure there, but yeah. Let's see what this FA-18 Super Hornet's gonna do. I also hear a A350 distinctly in the background, so yeah. We'll have to see what it's gonna do. Looks like we have a Singapore Airlines Airbus A350. It's gonna have to wait for this FA-18 Super Hornet here, but it probably actually won't. Cause yeah, we're just gonna wait for what happens here. So yeah, sweep that out. Yeah. So these two are correct. There goes the A350. Anyways, here we have another Airbus A350 and a Yeti Airlines Twin Otter in the background if you look carefully. Yeah. I don't know what it's gonna do. I think the oh yeah, there it goes. The FA-18's moving. So yep, let's watch it depart. I think we are going to have back-to-back departures here, because the A350 does not really get wake turbulence after an FA-18. Actually, the A350 stopped, but yeah. Looks like that guy's waiting in his FA-18, but yeah. So let's wait. Maybe Yeti Airlines is going to come this way. Who knows? I don't think they will. They were all the way across the airport. They're probably not gonna taxi all the way over here just so they can take off. Yeah, the A350 is moving again, and the Yeti Airlines Twin Otter is also moving still. It's at the other end of the runway, so 07. But yeah, let's zoom in on the A350 cockpit here. Oh wait, no, the Yeti Airlines is taking off. The Twin Otter has its nose risen, and there she goes. It's lifting off and it's going. So this does seem very dangerous. A Twin Otter takes off on a runway the opposite way of a fighter. But yeah. There's the close-up engine view. Yeah, there goes the FA-18. There's the afterburners. But yeah. There she goes. It's going, bro. Oh, that steep takeoff there. I can't even keep up. But yeah. So, an FA-18, everybody. That was a very steep climb out. But yeah. So let's wait for this A350 to take off. I think we're gonna hear it power up soon. But yeah. Okay, you know what? We're getting a perfect side-on shot. But yeah, we'll check that out later, because they're gonna be there for a while. I think, I don't know. What is bro doing? What is he doing? What is going on? Oh, he dropped flares. Didn't even see him very much there, just because I suck at being a cameraman. But yeah, so stick around everybody, because it might get a little crazy from here on out. There's a perfect side-on shot of an A350 with a Cebu Pacific A320 blocking the view. Great. Yeah, there's a side-on shot. Because, yeah, why not? They actually parked in the perfect spot for us. But there goes the engines. So yeah, listen to this departure. surprised he didn't tail strike there with a very early gear up. But yeah, the Cebu Pacific A320 is not scared of wave turbulence at all. Because in real life, this A320 would have had to be instructed to wait for like forever. But yeah, there goes the A320 lifting off actually smoother than the A350 with the early gear up and no flaps again. But yeah, so it looks like the airport's pretty dead right now. So yeah, looks like that FA-18 has come back though. What is the Turkish A350 doing? But yeah, so it's pretty dead right now. So yeah. We are being surprised by the FA-18's crew with a surprise landing. She's coming down. It probably actually, yeah, my camera slipped there. That was a very like I couldn't follow that thing. But yeah, it might come back over here. Who knows? Okay, it looks like it is coming back here. So yeah, I don't know what it's gonna do. Looks like it has stopped. Alright, now she's moving again. So, as it moves away, let's see it's the okay, well, just average PTFS things, I guess. But yeah. So anyways, since it's very dead right now, let's head back to the broadcasting booth, where it's me, Zachary. Now, my avatar will be returning back to what I originally had very, very soon, so don't worry, I won't be green bean forever. But yeah, so let's zoom in on the ATC tower, because that's where all the fun happens. Nobody's in there right now, because this is PTFS, but yeah. Pretty cool, it's got like 3 levels. There's only actually 1 level that you can access, but yeah. I feel like you should be able to chat in free cam. Because if you didn't know, I'm in free cam right now, because the binoculars, like, they don't have the best zoom, and also you can't levitate. But yeah, there's the HMS Queen Elizabeth. Oh, pretty cool. There's a DA-50 on there, which is pretty cool. Yeah. We'll just watch the DA-50 leave, because, let's be honest, there's no traffic here right now. So, I am pretty tired, though. It's pretty early right now for me, because, I don't have any other time during the day to make videos. But yeah, there she goes. The tree's kind of in a blind spot, but yeah, there it goes off the ramp. Bit of a sink right there, but yeah. I don't know what else to say. That was a pretty cool departure. But yeah. Looks like we have the Caleb over there. So yeah. I'll tell you if anything else interesting happens. Looks like that DA-50 is coming over here, but I'll tell you if anything else happens. There's the fire trainer at the tail of it. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to say.
looks like it is coming over here. What is it doing? I don't know. Let's zoom out. We get a better view. But yeah, pretty cool. You don't see general aviation aircraft a lot, so it is nice to see something like that. But yeah, I mean, not too bad. Let's see how good it lands. Obviously, I did a video on the DA-50. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Also, what are your thoughts on the next update? The A330 remodel. I have said it earlier in the video, but yeah. So the DA-50 has stopped. No, nothing else going on. Yeah. So I did move the camera up, so now we can see a bit higher. So I will turn to the HMS pretty soon to show you guys that yes, the camera is raised quite a bit. Yeah. So far nothing else is going on, but yeah. I don't even know what I was gonna say there. My brain's just malfunctioning right now. I am tired. It's very early for me right now. But, hey. So, yeah. Future Zachary. Tell me if this video does release. I think it was the 25th or 24th or Sunday? 24th or Sunday. If it doesn't, I'll make, I'll do something. I don't know. But yeah, there's the air control again. There's the spinning radar thing on the top. Let's actually pan over to the HMS here. Yeah, let's pan over to the HMS, where we can actually see a lot more. So yeah, we can see those like holes where the elevators will be, which is pretty interesting. So yeah. I'm tired. But yeah, I'll tell you if anything else interesting happens. So I just got back on the ladder, and there's the hospital, obviously, but there's something else happening. There's a KLM Boeing 747 engine being towed. It looks like the tug just broke or something. I don't know. But yeah. So there's a Lufthansa aircraft over there. It looks like an A350 tail. But yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Let's look at that KLM aircraft, because I don't know what's going on there. But yeah, also, you might want to turn your volume up pretty soon, just because it's the A350 produces nice noises. So yeah, I'll tell you when the A350 gets a lot closer, then you can turn your volume up. And actually, you should probably start turning up your volume very soon. But yeah, so there's the 747. It's taxiing very off center. But yeah. Alright, turn your volume up. We actually got an instant departure there. Let's watch it go. think it's take off over there, but yeah. So it looks like that 747 is being pulled onto the runway. This is just PTFS activities. Hopefully we get to see a good KLM 747 departure. Why is there a Eurofighter coming out? Oh yes, the best Eurofighter ever. Oh, that was hard. Yeah, that was very, very hard. But we also have a Shamrock over there. It probably isn't departing, but yeah. Let's see if the engines are spinning. They are in fact spinning, so yeah, the thing should be leaving pretty soon. Now, what is the Eurofighter doing? Let's find out. Oh, yep, there it is, right there. It's taxiing at like 130 knots. That is wild. But yeah, I guess it's just PTFS activities. Let's see if the 747. Why is that engine's off? Oh, never mind. There we go. Spool up. Yeah. Take a listen, chat. Beautiful Boeing 747 departure there. But yeah. So we'll probably only be like 6 minutes left on the video now by this point. But yeah. So, there is the photo bomber, the Cebu Pacific A320. Yeah, let's watch the Cebu Pacific's tail disappear, and there it goes. So yeah. It's pretty empty right now, so yeah. I'll just let you sit here for a bit. Okay, or not. There goes the Boeing 747. It just crashed. I guess that's normal PTFS activities there. But yeah. So, I will sit here for a bit. Okay, we got the Boeing 747 from earlier. I don't know what it's doing. I can't even keep up, bro. But yeah, it just went away. Anyways, so now we cut to Dolphin and Osprey. I don't know what it's doing. We got a Tornado right there. So yeah, let's see what it does. Very fast taxi. Oh, actually, taxi will take off. Dang. Anyways, let's see what Osprey does. It's already at 200 knots. It's probably doing a taxi will take off. Let's zoom into those lights. That's the Airbus A350 from earlier. Still got its gear down. But yeah, I think pretty soon we're gonna end off this video. So yeah. There's finally somebody in the ATC tower. Anyways, but yeah, soon we're gonna end off our broadcast. But let me just, there we go. We have 3 sets of lights in the air. I don't know what they all are. See, there's a B2, a A350, and the Twin Otter from earlier. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I mean, I am gonna end this video pretty soon. So yeah, we have a Qantas aircraft. I don't know what the aircraft specifically is, but yeah, I'm very excited. So, yep. So yeah, I'll wait for that. I can actually see Lucula from here, which is just like PTFS loading and stuff, but still, it's pretty cool. I can see the Coast Guard station and stuff from here. I can also see Lucula, which means Perth isn't very far away. But yeah, we have a Qantas Boeing 707, which is a rare sight to see in PTFS, because nobody uses these things. I've never seen a starter use the Boeing 707, but yeah. There's the JT8Ds. I think they're JT8Ds. Sure. But yeah. There's no actual spinner decal, but yeah. Here's that 707. Let's get a zoom in. There we go. Yeah. I like its eyebrow windows and its black nose. But yeah, let's have it taxi onto the runway, and we'll see if it does that instant takeoff. We also have an F-14. This will fight me. But yeah, let's wait for the 707 to get on the runway. And it actually is turning on to the runway right now. So yeah, we'll see its departure very soon. There we go, you can hear it spool up there. So yeah, let's listen. Very nice rotation there with the Eagle Claw landing gear. Yeah, I've always loved how the Eagle Claws looked. So that's why I think the 767 also deserves a remodel. But hey, we'll probably see the 767 remodel in the next update. Who knows? There's also going a Delta A330. But yeah. So I think it's time to end off this video. So if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and leave your thoughts down below for the series. Like, should I continue it or not? So yeah, I'd like to thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. So, goodbye.